Hey guys, we're here at Big Xoxo. We wanted to go to Uptown, but we couldn't find any parking. There was like no parking whatsoever. So we decided to come here. It's a nice day out. It's been raining like crazy, right babe? It's been raining, so we decided to come out and eat outside. Dig in, so I'll talk to you guys later. You're not that weird.
Ruth, pick up, Ruth. You got spied for more, you know.
Guys, so we're out here at the Mockingbird station and I have 0 minutes for my vlogging, but I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. And we're right here at Prom Outfitters. So yeah, I'm here with my love. So I'm gonna see if they'll let me vlog in here. We'll see, not too sure. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's my first time doing this, so we'll see.
You walk like nobody's watching.
It's pretty dark in here.
Eric here got like a little DJ, little record playing.
Oh, look at that.
So we can get at the house.
Oh, I like
we can
that.
play all these badass records.
You got that from here?
Yeah.
Babe, look at that one.
Zoom in closer at the top.
I didn't see.
Oh, they got the two pockets. I'm gonna spend about $500 in it. I'm gonna spend about $500 in it.
Okay, sure. Yeah, sure. Maybe I want like the Calvin Klein or something.
Get this black shit. It look like Quavo, Offset,
Look better.
Take off,
Look better.
Take off on them.
Better. Hey guys, good afternoon. So today's Friday and I took the day off and my boyfriend took the day off as well. We needed a day off from work. So yeah, I'm not too sure what we're gonna go do. We'll probably head to the mall or something, I'm not sure. But it's a beautiful day outside again, thank God. And yeah, so I'll bring you guys along with us and let you guys know what we're about to do.
Yeah.
Alright, talk to you guys in a bit.
What's going on there?
Hey guys, so we're here outside in Uptown. He's all shy. Yeah, will.
Good job. Finna get it.
It's a nice day out. Then we're gonna go eat something later on. I'm not too sure.
Rich brother.
But I'll vlog it here in a little bit. Well guys, we've made it home and that wraps up this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video.